What's up guys, my name is Kashito, welcome back to another episode of the Cooking with Kashito. So it's been a long time for that content, without Marve for a while. So for now, I'm gonna make with this one right here. We're gonna make hot cake or pancake, but not for the first time though. But anyway, well, you can literally buy this one, but if you wanted to make it from scratch, just use flour, milk, egg, and butter. Let's start. First, let's make the butter. Alright, for this kind of things, we're gonna focus on this one. So I need some medium-sized egg, and a tablespoon of oil, and 1 cup of water, and a half cup of water, but I'm going to prefer this one. And then 1 pack of this one. So I need tablespoons of oil. Can I use butter instead of tablespoons than this? You know what? I'm gonna use the butter. It's much better for using than oil. Anyway, so let's open this bad boy up. So this is what it looks like. So it's literally a flour. What is this? Yeah. I'm gonna have this. Now I really don't have a whisk. If only I have a whisk, it would be great. So I need some 2 medium-sized egg, but mine is literally jumbos. So you know my down there is literally that jumbo.
Really?
So next will be what else? Oil, right? So I'm not going to use that oil. I'm instead going to be using a butter. So it might be even better for using that butter. Why this one doesn't look good? So 2 tablespoons, huh? That's 1. And that's 2. There you go. Oops. And then lastly, cup of water. I prefer to use milk, because why not? I love milk. If you're lactose intolerant, then use water instead. Go. So this might be literally a cup. Instead, I'm going to use this cup right here, because why not? Let me taste this one. It's literally that cup? Really, huh? That's refreshing. So it says it's cut for half a cup. Yeah, it says half a cup. Oh, I'm still gonna drink it. It's really good though. Right? Pour like this. If it's not enough, then you can use the water instead. Also, don't forget the egg. Luckily, I literally bought it. Seems I don't have a mixer. Alright. For me to just only a low heat, right? For this one, plate. That will be good. I need 2 of spatula. Oh, now this is perfect. Alright, this keeps perfect. Alright. You know, I really like this kind of thing. I mean, look at this. Just literally easily like crept. Well, let me taste this one. Okay. I made good progress now. That's delicious. Although it's not perfect, but it's still good. That's an important taste. Oh, it's delicious. Snack break for a while. You won't believe it, it's not pork. Oh, it's halal. Oh, that's perfect. Oh, that's perfect. Alright, I made it the right progress. Not gonna lie. So good. I'm gonna keep going with this one. I mean, okay. That one. Look at that. I really love this taste. Wait for a bit and then flip. Wait for a bit and then take it out. Simple as that. And I can't believe it. I just almost emptied the bar. Alright, now let me try this one. A little bit of butter. And let me try this one. This one, and then teaspoon of this. This one. And here we go. like it. Damn. Alright, it's finally done. Wanna see? I'm gonna show it to you. Very delicious. Alright, time for the taste test with this delicious pancake that I made. Alright. Alright, here we go. The syrup with the delicious pancake. God, it's supposed to be breakfast, but I just made it into a snacks because I'm hungry. Even without without the syrup and the butter, it's still good though. To make sure, just do 3 ingredients. And that's really good. And also the right measurement, okay? Don't forget that. It was so good. Alright, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really missed making this pancake, not gonna lie. But next time, I'm going to use the 3 ingredients, the traditional, you know. But without this, I don't know how much with this one. If it's literally costs a lot of bucks, then the 3 ingredients, that would be great, and I would buy that. But if it's opposite, then I'm just gonna buy this one instead. So yeah. So please make sure to give this video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe. And I say to you all, and sayonara, arigato. You notice about my long hair now? I'm gonna haircut again.